Hi, welcome to MarielBeads and Beyond. Today I'm going to show you really quick how I prepare my nose wire to make my mask. So it's really easy and I think it's really helpful to remove all the sharp edges of the wire. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you like my videos, subscribe. A lot of more videos coming up because we're going to start soon with the embroidery and with the heat press tutorials. Let's get started. I have my hot glue gun. It's already plugged, so it should be ready pretty soon. I have pliers. And I have my cutters. I have some 20 gauge wire. For the round mask, I cut 6 inches wire. And for the square masks, the 3D ones, I cut 5 inches wire. So the first thing I do after I cut my wire, I use my flash cutters and I cut the edges with the flash side to remove sharpness. If you don't do that, it's like really pointy. So that's the first thing you want to do. So the next thing I do with my pliers, I just set them at the end and I leave like a 1/4 inch or less, that depends on you. So then what I find the easiest way to do it, I just get out another set of pliers and hold it with that. With the other pliers, I just hold them and just squish. And you have one side ready. I do it on the other side, same thing. And the amount of wire that you hold, it doesn't matter. So we have one ready. And usually like for the 3D mask, I cut it like 5 inches and then by the time I fold, I end up getting like 4.5 inches. It depends on you, how would you like your wire. I'm making this 3D mask. So what I do is before I put my hot glue, I just measure it to make sure that it's gonna be good and I can see right away that this is good. Like I say, for a 3D mask, I always cut my waters 5 inches and then that's perfect. For my round ones, I cut it 6. So the next thing, and this I don't know how smart it is, but I'm showing you the way I make mine. So this is the way I make mine. I hold my glue gun and then I stick the wire in. Right after the folding part is in, I squish it a little bit. And see, it comes out perfect. It's not too thick, it's perfect. And like if it's not too thick, I just cut it with some scissors. And then I put it away and I get another one. Here. Okay. So as soon as it gets in, I squish it a little bit, really little, and then I pull it out. And I don't know if you can see it closely, but did you see how it's just perfect? It's not too thick, it's not too thin. It's just perfect. So that way, it's not gonna be sharp anymore. And like in this one, you see it's a little bit too thick. I just remove it or wait till it's cold and then I cut it. And this is how I made my wires. So this is a really short video. I just wanted to show you how I made mine. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. I hope it's helpful. And I see you in the next video. Thank you.